Hello, I'm Dr. Berry.
Hi.
Do you mind if I examine your feet today?
No, that's fine.
Good. You don't have any pain in your feet at the moment, do you?
No.
Good. Can I get you to stand up for me? Okay, I'm just going to have a look at your feet. Can I get you to just take a step forwards? Okay, and if I get you to just lie on the bed now for me. Just have a look at your footwear. I'm just going to have a closer look at your feet. Okay. I'm just going to feel your pulse on the inside. Okay, so I'm just going to test for your sensation in your feet now. So I'm just going to use this. It looks quite sharp, but it's actually very gentle. Just feel it there. Okay, if we get you to close your eyes, I want you to say yes when you can feel that poking in your feet. Can you feel that?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, brilliant. I'm just going to do the other side now, so keep closing your eyes.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, no worries.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, that's brilliant. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, and following from the examination, there's quite a few questions I'd like to ask the patient. In particular, do they have any problems with pain or sensation changes in their feet? I'd like to know how well they look after their feet. Do they check their feet daily? Have they had their up-to-date annual screening recently? And do they ever walk around barefoot? I'd also like to talk a little bit more about how their diabetes is controlled and whether that's up to date at the moment.